Let me show you an easy way to fix YouTube if it's not working on your iPhone. If YouTube's not working, it could be YouTube themselves, or it could be your iPhone. I'll show you how to identify it and how to fix it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is close out of the YouTube app completely. After you've closed out of the app, let's head into the Settings app of your iPhone. Scroll to the very bottom, tap on Apps, and then scroll to the very bottom until you get to YouTube. Now, it could not be working because you might have certain things turned off, like your microphone, the local network. If any of these are turned off, make sure to turn all of them on across the board. If it's still not working, let's hop out of here and open up a web browser like Safari, and we're just going to type in, is YouTube down? Now, after you've done that, let's go to Down Detector, and you're going to just check to see if there's a huge spike in reported outages. If there is a spike in reported outages, then most likely it's not working for you because the YouTube servers need to be fixed. However, let's say that's not an issue for you. Next, let's head back into the Settings app. Let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. From here, let's tap on General and then iPhone Storage. Now, all we need to do is find that YouTube app. You can see it's taking up a gigabyte of space. I'm going to offload this app and then just turn around and reinstall it. This does two things. One, it force updates YouTube to the latest version, but the second thing is it clears a lot of bugs and glitches in that app by clearing the cache and the temporary files.